What makes Gilbert Public Schools special is the community involvement, the tradition that we have here at Gilbert Public Schools. The community takes a lot of pride in what we do here at Gilbert Public Schools.
Gilbert Public Schools is just an incredible place. It's a family atmosphere. Everyone is valued, and teachers and staff go out of their way to make sure that every student is appreciated and part of the GPS family.
Prior to this project, we had a high deficiency in our lighting throughout not only our athletic fields, but our exterior and perimeter lighting, parking lot, and areas throughout the facilities.
The vision for this project started years ago, and Schneider Electric looked at a lot of different things that we can do to improve the district and worked with leadership to really narrow it down to what's going to have the most significant financial impact and also the most visibility. And so lighting was kind of that focus. Gym lighting, where there's a lot of activities after hours, and then also on the athletic fields where we've got students and graduations and other activities that are happening around the clock. So that's kind of where we focused and where this project started.
Before the improvements were made, our gym was really dingy. We'd have performances on the stage, and it was really difficult for the crowd to really see exactly what was going on, just simply because of the lighting.
We're able to almost double the lighting, the foot candle readings on those sites and those campuses, which has made a huge impact for playability and for these students to be able to play safely.
So the first day when after the lights were installed and I walked in, and you could just see the look on all the kids' faces, they were amazed by the lighting. Everything was just so much brighter, more clear. It was literally like someone turned on the light, and you could really just tell a huge difference. Everything just popped with color.
The new lighting has benefited our band in a lot of really great ways. We were able to switch our rehearsal schedule, so now we're rehearsing 2 nights a week instead of after school from 3 to 5, so we're 6 to 9, which makes the kids way more comfortable once the sun is down, and they're actually way more productive, and they're happier. They're just like happier to be at rehearsal because they're not miserable. So we've been able to get more done, which is great.
Everybody's like, wow. I hear ex-football players and they're like, imagine if we had these lights when we were playing. Could you imagine this? And when the flashing lights for a touchdown come on, I mean, you hear the roars, the cheers, and it's more amplified. It seems like this is kind of pumped it up. You're almost like at a concert, and it's added an extra piece to the excitement.
Not only can we save energy, save money, but these projects are really going to improve the safety of our athletic fields, our athletic environments.
Water and energy efficiency, again, go into the smart irrigation. That allows us to monitor and optimize use for our irrigation systems. If it's raining, we could get the recognition of the irrigation system to turn off those zones or turn off the scheduling for that day. As well as if we have a break or a missed schedule in the middle of an event, we're able to remotely shut that down in order to conserve water.
These projects, not only are we addressing over $7 million in district needs, the unique thing about this is the savings from those projects that we did more than doubles the cost of what it was to implement those. So there's over $14 million in life cycle savings from the improvements we made district-wide.
So this project has helped our maintenance team by lowering our maintenance costs, our response to redundant issues or continuous issues, and the frustrations that came along with trying to replace or repair obsolete equipment.
For the students to be able to participate in an environment where they can really do their best and be able to see clearly is pretty critical for everyone.